class. We have a young and vibrant labor force. For the most part, it is because of the teachers who labored, sacrificed, and dedicated their lives to ensuring that we are raising educated, learned, and skilled citizens. Beyond teaching, reading, writing, and numeracy, we are grateful for the life lessons you teach our children. Mao nang pirmig yung ko, magpahinumdum sa ato ang mga magtutudlo pagdaan ko'y maistorya nga always be kind sa inyuhang mga estudyante. Kay tungod kung unsa na ang inyuhang isulti sa ilaha karon, mauna ang ilahang mahinumduman pirmi. They do not remember the lessons, they do not remember the exams, they only remember